Oh, hello, Papa.
Your love goes over and over. 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 Your love goes over and over.
Hey guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. I have a new wig from Amandahair, and I absolutely love this company. They have the best affordable, inexpensive, cheap lace wigs that you can find, and they always have promotions running. So if you guys are interested, I'll be sure to leave all the information and links below, so go ahead and check them out. So I have a new wig from them, and this is their loose deep 13 by 4 inch lace frontal wig. The wig that I have is 28 inches long, 180% density, and it also has that transparent lace that I'm not too fond of, so I'm going to go ahead and take care of that later on. But as usual, I like to put the wig on just to let you guys see what it looks like prior to me doing anything to it. Like I mentioned before, it has that transparent lace. I'm going to need to tint. Also, the knots need to be bleached. You guys notice that it's just looking kind of dense along the hairline, so I will be thinning that out just a bit. But for the most part, the hair is absolutely gorgeous. I will be re-crimping this wig because after the whole washing process, I did lose some curls. So I'm going to start off with bleaching the knots, and I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys once I'm done.
And I be feeling you, oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you, I know that you're feeling me, oh, and I be feeling you, oh, girls, them are random, me I fit to turn them down, anywhere we go, see them be hating now, she carry you, her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh, yeah, that she jeje. No, they do me, she get. You wanna come move, fair. Now you have.
So now I'm going to go ahead and tint my lace. I'm using my Rit synthetic fabric dye in the color chocolate brown. I've added a little bit of that to some hot boiling water, and I've allowed the lace to sit in that mixture for just a few seconds. I probably could have gone a little longer just because the lace didn't get as dark as I really wanted it to. But be sure that you just sort of test it out. Make sure that you're not over tinting your lace or under tinting your lace like I did. So right now I'm going to go ahead and remove some of the density just along the hairline. It was looking a little boxy and thick along the hairline, so I'm going to thin that out just a bit. I'm also going to add a middle part as I usually do. For whatever reason, I love my hair in middle parts, but yeah, it's just my go-to. So I'm just using my tweezers and I'm just removing some density along the hairlines. Then you're going to see me just kind of style this hair while it's wet.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Original
So I ended up crimping my wig off of camera, but I did have footage from another wig. If you guys want to see exactly how I usually crimp my wigs, I'll be sure to leave a video in the cards above, and I'll also link it below as well. But this is just sort of essentially what I do in order to get those nice crimps.
Oh, hello, Papa.
Love goes, your love, your love goes over and over. 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 Your love goes over and over.
So now I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on, and as I mentioned before, the lace is a little under tinted. It's just a little too light for my skin tone. Now I do notice that with transparent lace, it is the most difficult to tint in my opinion, so you may just want to go in with your foundation shade to be able to get a better match, because transparent lace being so white, it doesn't really take to the tint too well, and ultimately it ends up just sort of turning like that grayish tone, which doesn't really match with my skin tone. But I'm gonna go ahead and remove the lace, go ahead and get this wig melted down, and I'll see you guys once I'm done with that.
Your love goes over and over. 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 Your love goes over and over.
Okay, Amandahair, I see you. But get into this wig. I love this natural sheen that it has. Now, you don't have to go and buy a crimper in order to redefine the texture on this wig. Once you wash it, it does dry slightly looser than it originally comes. It's still really beautiful in my opinion. I just really wanted a defined wave, so I decided to use my crimper. Why not? But you guys, get into this wig. It's super soft. Now I want to say that the strands are about double knotted. I did have some difficulties bleaching the knots because of that, but I got absolutely no shedding at all because of it being double knotted. But you guys, this hair is gorgeous. You guys do check out Amandahair. They do have their buy now pay later option, and they also have tons of promotions running all the time, so go ahead and save you some money. But I'll leave all the information below. Let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.